Hi, this is Irapa from Tenet Technetronics. This video I am going to show accelerometer and its working. This is the accelerometer breakout board manufactured by Tenet Technetronics. The accelerometers are very important in the sensor world because they can sense such a wide range of motion. Nowadays they are used in many devices such as latest Apple PowerBooks, IP phones, GPS navigators, self-balancing robots, aeroplanes, etc. This breakout board for the 3-axis accelerometers from unlocked devices. This is the latest unlock sensor. It is a triple axis accelerometer with extremely low noise and power consumption only 320 microamps. This sensor has a fully sensing range of plus or minus 3G. There is no onboard regulation, provided power should be between 1.8 to 3.6 volt DC. Now coming to pinout configurations. This pin VCC, ground. This one is X direction pin, Y direction pin and Z direction. Last one is select one. Now let us look at a demo with Arduino board. This is the 5 volt supply from Arduino. This pin goes to accelerometer VCC and this one is ground from Arduino pin. This pin goes to accelerometer ground. And this pin goes to X-axis pin, and this pin connected to analog A0, and this one A1 pin goes to Y-axis. Here I written simple program is presented that interface a accelerometer to an Arduino board. Now I uploading the program to Arduino board. Now we can see the values on serial monitor. When you tilt the sensor, the values will change x-axis and y-axis direction. See, it's changing y-axis direction. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, you can contact www.tenetech.com.